Welcome to this complete Zephyrion tutorial. We are going to re-region a PlayStation 4 save from beginning to end using the Zephyrion workflow. By the end, you will know how to prepare your account, provide both saves, download the result, and copy it back to a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Re-regioning converts a save made for one regional release of a game into a save for another compatible regional release. For example, a United States save can be converted for a European copy. Zephyrion keeps the content from your original save, uses compatible metadata from a target region donor, and signs the finished save to your PlayStation account. Every resigned or re-region save must be associated with the PlayStation account that will use it. You have two choices. Run save account once so Zephyrion remembers your account for future workflows, or enter your PlayStation Network Online ID directly when starting re-region. You do not need to calculate the hexadecimal account ID yourself. Here is the permanent setup option. Type /saveaccount and select the Zephyrion command. The required field accepts either your PlayStation Network Online ID or a 16-character hexadecimal account ID. Most users should simply enter their online ID. Enter the online ID exactly as it appears on PlayStation Network, then submit the command. This tutorial uses the fictional example name Zephyr Demo 24. Zephyrion resolves the online ID to the required account ID and confirms that the account has been saved. Repeating this later is safe and simply updates the stored value. The PlayStation account saved confirmation means setup is complete. Commands that support a saved account can now reuse it. If you prefer not to store an account, the next screen shows the one-time alternative. When starting /re-region, you can enter your PlayStation Network Online ID in the optional PSN Online ID field. Zephyrion retrieves the account information for this workflow. If you already use Save Account, leave this option blank and the stored account is used instead. The first prompt asks for the current or original region. This is the save that contains your progress and the data you want to keep. Upload the encrypted pair, a complete CUSA folder, a zip, a Google Drive source, or another supported save link. Use the red exit button if you need to cancel safely. In this example, a supported Google Drive folder is pasted into the chat. You can also attach the files directly with Discord's plus button. Zephyrion checks the pair, detects its title ID and region, and only advances when the source is complete and usable. Next, Zephyrion asks for the target or foreign region save. This is commonly called the donor. A donor is a compatible encrypted save from the regional version you want to use. It supplies the target CUSA metadata and keystone material. Your progress still comes from the original save. The donor's gameplay progress is not copied into the result. Upload or link the donor in exactly the same way. You do not need to own or create that donor save. Any compatible donor for the same game and selected destination region can be used. Zephyrion verifies the required files, CUSA, and metadata before changing anything. After both saves pass validation, Zephyrion performs the console-backed work. It validates the encrypted pairs, mounts the required data, applies the destination region metadata, reassigns the result to your account, retrieves the completed files, and cleans the remote workspace. Do not start another SaveBot workflow while these processing stages are active. Not every regional pair is compatible. A wrong game, incomplete encrypted pair, invalid metadata, or incompatible destination can stop the workflow. Read the error, confirm both CUSA IDs, and try another matching donor when needed. Zephyrion does not force an unsafe conversion, and the original files you supplied are never overwritten. This completion screen confirms the current CUSA and the target CUSA. It also confirms that the save was re-regioned and resigned to the supplied or saved PlayStation account. The confirmation may display the account ID used for signing, but you do not need to read or enter it again. When delivery finishes, select Download your file here. Download the zip to your computer and extract all contents. The package contains the complete PlayStation 4 save folder structure needed for USB transfer, not just one internal save data file. The completed result is a PlayStation 4 save. and can be used on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. On PlayStation 5, the PlayStation 4 version of the game must be installed. The save will not work with the native PlayStation 5 game version. Keep the complete folder structure intact, copy it to a compatible USB drive, then use the console's save data on USB storage device menu. Keep a backup of your original save before replacing anything. You have now seen the full reregion workflow. Prepare the account, upload the original save, provide a compatible target region donor, let Zephyrion process both saves, then download and copy the result to your PlayStation 4 or to the PlayStation 4 version of the game on PlayStation 5. If you need a more automated donor search, Smart Reregion is also available for supported destinations.